Hi there everybody, my name is Jennifer Peters and we are working on another great appetizer using Philadelphia cream cheese this week. Today we are making fancy filled endives. Now this is such a pretty appetizer. This would be perfect to bring to maybe a girls get together, maybe a nice little cocktail party, maybe a baby shower or an engagement party. Something like that. Today, actually, what we're going to be bringing these to, my husband and I are going to a party, and just with a few friends, and there I know that one of my girlfriends is a celiac, and another one of them is a vegetarian. So it was a little bit tricky figuring out what I was going to be bringing tonight, but this is the perfect dish. So let's get started. So first up, to fill my endives, I'm going to be using 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature, and I'm creaming that together with about 6 ounces of blue cheese. Now I love the flavor of blue cheese, but this is going to go really nicely with my Philadelphia cream cheese because it's going to be nice and soft and creamy, which is exactly what we want to fill up our endives here. So once I have this cream together, we're going to be topping it with pistachios and some grapes that I've chopped in half here. And all of these flavors are going to work together so nicely and complement one another to make this perfect bite. It's going to be a really nice fresh appetizer, especially on these endives. Nice and light and healthy too. All right. So now that this is creamed together, I can start filling up my leaves. So on top of my endive leaves, I'm going to be topping a little drizzle of balsamic reduction. So this is so simple to do. What we're going to be doing is taking, over medium-high heat, about half a cup of balsamic vinegar. And to that, I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of honey. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'll bring it down to a simmer. And I'm going to let this go on for, it'll probably take about 5 minutes. What I want this balsamic reduction to do is reduce by about half. So once it appears that I have about a quarter cup left, then I know that I have just the right amount. Okay, so I'm just finishing up on my endive leaves here, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm spreading them to fill them almost to the very end. I like to leave just a little bit of that leaf showing just to show how pretty that is. It's going to make a nice little surface to put all of our great little toppings on here. And I've got one more to go, and then we'll add the grapes and the pistachios. So I've chopped all of my really nice red grapes here in half, and so I'm going to place about 3 halves per each little endive. And I have my pistachios all coarsely chopped, just like that, just enough to sprinkle on, just as so. All right, that looks really pretty, really nice presentation. I'll go ahead and finish these up. All right, there's my fancy filled endives, looking so tasty. And also to the plate I've added pistachios and red grapes to make a really nice platter to share with my friends. Now I haven't drizzled on my garnish yet of my balsamic reduction, just because we're traveling for a little bit and I'm going to do this when I get to the party. However, I'm going to show you here how great that looks. Really pretty. So that'll be my final step when I get there. And of course I need to have a bite, so let's just give a quick sample. So good. All of these flavors really complement one another really nicely to make this beautiful presentation and a really fabulous appetizer. I hope you give this one a try too. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.